Did you know that the West Somerset Railway in West Somerset, England, is the longest heritage railway in the UK, spanning over 22.7 miles? It has 11 stations. The stations are as follows: Minehead, Dunster, Blue Anchor, Washford, Watchet, Willerton, Stigumber, Crocombe Heathfield, and finally Bishop's Lydeard, and sometimes Norton Fitzwarren. The railway, as of 2024, is 150 years old. Way to go! Another thing about the railway is that it's also a very popular tourist destination. So if you're coming down to West Somerset, have a go on the West Somerset Railway. Trust me, you will enjoy it.